Hi guys, I'm Matt Ruddle, and I'm going to share with you 3 simple secrets to networking success. Now, I've networked for, I don't know, it must be 10 plus years in different networking environments, from BNI to 4 networking to smaller regional groups as well. So I've picked up a thing or two, plus I know a person or two in the networking world, so I've picked their brains. The first thing is, it's clarity of your message. Now, we all know that when you go to a typical networking meeting, you're having your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, whatever it is, but then you stand up and you say your 40 seconds or your 60 seconds to the room. I've heard some atrocious ones in the past. I've probably delivered some atrocious ones in the past. But the ones that are successful are the ones that have a clarity of message, the ones that use their time really wisely, and you go, I know exactly what they do. So you've got to have that clarity of message. The next thing is the follow-up. It's the biggest thing people fall down on. And they always say fortune's in the follow-up, yet they don't follow up. Come on, guys. All you need to do is have a simple system in place, like InTouch, where you can set up your follow-up straight away. So as soon as you've picked up those business cards and that permission to communicate with those people, you can then put them into a sequence that says, hey, thanks for your time today. Thanks for your chat. Great to meet you. Here's a little bit more about myself and my business and how I can help you. So you do those follow-ups. So you don't just have to send them emails. Emails is a great way because you can send it and it goes and you can get the results. But create tasks for yourself as well. Tasks for you to pick up the phone and speak to them a few days later or a few weeks later. Because at the end of the day, it's human interaction. People buy from people. And that's what networking is about. It's about creating that trust so that you know who you're buying from and what you're actually doing. The third thing is be disciplined. And this actually goes with the whole point of the follow-up as well. Because what a lot of people will do is they'll send that one-off email. They'll send that one-off text message. They'll make that one-off call. Thanks for meeting me today. Thanks for your business card. Thanks for this. Do you want to buy from me? No, not at the moment. I've only just met you. Okay, thanks, goodbye. And that's it, gone. And I've met so many people in networking like that, where they've literally come to a meeting, we've had that one interaction, that one follow-up, and I've never spoken to them again. Who knows, in 6 months' time I might need their services, but I've forgotten about them now. So be persistent and be disciplined in what you're actually doing. So make sure that your follow-up doesn't end after that first one. Most people say that sales happen after the 7th interaction. Okay, and that doesn't mean that you have to speak to them in 7 consecutive days in order to start getting somewhere. Spread it out, give them some time, give them some information, educate them, meet them again at networking events, and again follow up with them. So those are my 3 tips, okay? So make sure you have clarity of message, make sure you do actually follow up, and be disciplined in your whole process as well. And you'll get business success through your networking. And it won't be a waste of time, I promise you.